My name's James Gore. I'm the chair of the Sonoma County Board of Supervisors, and I have the privilege to represent the Rebuild in this area in District 4. October 2017, fire rained down here, and it's been amazing to see resilience rise out of these ashes. I can't get over the fact of what I see in the people who lost their homes and lost everything every day. They show me that if we reach out to them and if we empower them and set the foundation, that they can achieve anything and more. You know, we've reached out and tried everything possible to surround these people who lost their homes with support. And that support has meant just, you tell us. We want to be leaders through followership. We don't want to act like we know what you're going through. We need you to tell us what you're going through and us run after the resources. There are so many different things that you would never think of when disaster strikes. This project represents one of those. It's a community affair that couldn't be dealt with by a single person. So we have to come together and figure it out. So we've raised the money, we've dealt with the permitting, we've rallied the base, and it's been so inspiring. You know, this project could not have come together to support this community without the leadership of Rebuild NorthBay, along with Habitat for Humanity, Freedmen's Brothers, the county, Sonoma Clean Power funding it, and everybody saying, what do we do? And then an entity like Rebuild NorthBay saying, we're going to bring this together and connect the dots, and we're going to support this community in its rebuild. It is inspiring, and I am so excited to be a part of it.